In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI in ClickUp to work faster, smarter, and more efficiently in 2026. ClickUp AI can help you write tasks, summarize work, brainstorm ideas, and save a huge amount of time in your daily workflow. Whether you're a beginner or already using ClickUp, this feature can seriously upgrade how you manage projects. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're using the workspace where you want to use AI features. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your ClickUp dashboard where you can see your spaces, folders, and tasks. From here, look over to the left-hand panel. You'll notice an option labeled AI. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up ClickUp AI, which is built directly into the platform, so there's no need to install any extra tools or extensions. Once the AI panel opens, you'll see a text box where you can start typing. This is where the magic happens. In this text box, you can ask ClickUp AI to help you with a wide range of tasks. For example, you can type something like, write a task description for a marketing campaign, summarize this task, create action items from this project, or even brainstorm ideas for a blog post. After typing your prompt into the text box, press Enter and let ClickUp AI generate the response. The AI will quickly provide suggestions, summaries, or content based on what you asked. You can then review the output, make edits if needed, and apply it directly to your task or document inside ClickUp. This is extremely useful for speeding up planning, reducing manual writing, and keeping your work organized. You can repeat this process as many times as you want, using AI across different tasks, docs, and workflows. Over time, this can save hours every week and help you stay focused on what really matters. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to use AI in ClickUp to boost productivity and streamline your workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.